Hey everyone, our video today is about the top 20 world's deadliest animals unveiling the most lethal creatures on the planet. Let's get started. Top 20 sharks. 6 fatalities annually. Although we read about shark attacks in the news every summer, there are only on average 6 fatalities from human causes worldwide. That places sharks as the 20th deadliest animal to humans, according to research collated by Bill Gates and posted on Gates Notes. Shark attacks, whose turn next, is written on this boy's surfboard during a 2015 demonstration on Reunion Island in the Indian Ocean. A 13-year-old surfer was murdered by a bull shark the day before. Top 19. Wolves, 10 fatalities annually. Normally, wolves are wary of people and try to stay away from them. However, on occasion, wolves may attack owing to rabies, fear, or even being provoked by victims. Wolves kill farm animals. Human attacks are uncommon, but attacks on cattle and other domestic animals are more frequent. 2014 saw demonstrations by French farmers requesting that their government take action to deter wolves from attacking sheep. Top 18. Jellyfish, 40 fatalities annually. The sting of this jellyfish, sometimes known as a Pacific sea nettle, is excruciatingly unpleasant. Fortunately, that sting rarely results in death for people. Box jellyfish stings, for example, have the potential to be fatal. The Portuguese man of war. Although this gelatinous horror is technically not a true jellyfish but rather a colony of lesser animals, its stings can nevertheless be fatal. Top 17. Tigers, 50 fatalities annually. In India, tiger attacks have taken several lives throughout the years. Attacks have also occurred in zoos, with one resulting in death in 2007 in the San Francisco Zoo. Roy Horn, a magician with Siegfried and Roy, was notoriously mauled by a Bengal tiger while performing in Las Vegas, leaving him severely paralyzed. Zoo tiger attack. In 2014, a youngster either leaped or fell into an enclosure in the Delhi Zoo, where he was then mauled to death by a tiger. Top 16. Bees. 60 fatalities annually. The deadliest creatures in the U.S. are frequently bees, wasps, hornets, and other flying insects. These fatalities frequently result from anaphylactic shock in sting allergy victims. But in some parts of the world, apitherapy, which employs bee stings to cure everything from cancer to arthritis, is avidly sought after in several regions of the world. Top 15. Lions, 100 people die each year. Humans are simple food for lions if they are there. There are frequently reports of lions killing tourists and poachers. Hunters hunt. This lion is seen enjoying a meal of buffalo, which can be considerably more difficult to kill than an unwary person. Top 14. Elephants. 100 people die each year. Elephants are herbivores, yet when angry, these enormous animals may be exceedingly dangerous. Elephant rage. Elephants and people have met fatally in places like eastern India, where urban expansion has encroached on the elephant's habitat. Top 13. Hippopotamuses, 500 people die each year. Hippos are well known for being vicious, and if they feel threatened, they will readily capsize a small boat and murder the people inside. Don't provoke the hippos. French zoo director Jean Duquesne was captured in 1995, having fun with Comir the hippo. 4 years later, the same hippo stormed out of Duquesne's pen, killing him. Top 12. Crocodiles yearly, 1,000 fatalities. Because they move quickly and aggressively, crocodiles can be exceedingly harmful to people. But in this Burkinabe community, crocodiles are adored because, according to local lore, they once guided ladies from the parched settlement to a secret pond. But not everyone reveres crocodiles. An enraged mob in Indonesia used axes to assault crocodiles after one of the reptiles killed a local man. Top 11. Tapeworms, 1.600 fatalities annually. Eating raw or undercooked meat, such as pig or beef, can lead to the transmission of any one of the many species of tapeworm to humans. The parasite's eggs may also be present in undercooked fish. You might not even know you have it. One illness that can exist inside your body with little to no symptoms is tapeworm. Top 10. Ascaris roundworms, 2,700 people die each year. 1/6 of people on Earth, according to experts, have some sort of roundworm infection. It's not just a digestion problem. If left untreated, the roundworm parasite can spread from the small intestine to the liver, lungs, and heart, among other organs. Top 9. Tsetse flies. 3,500 people die each year. The deadly sleeping illness caused by trypanosomes, which are carried by tsetse flies and found in sub-Saharan Africa, is transferred to humans through the bite of the fly. Sleeping sickness. The second stage of the parasite infection is where the moniker sleeping sickness originated. People who are infected have spells of daytime sleepiness as well as nighttime sleeplessness. After several years, untreated sleeping sickness will cause death. Top 8 scorpions. 3,500 fatalities per year. Scorpions have venomous stingers that inject neurotoxins and enzyme inhibitors into their prey. But humans fight back. People in some areas eat scorpions, like this woman in Mexico City, in addition to destroying them when they enter their homes. Top 7. Freshwater snails. 4.400 fatalities annually. Schistosomiasis, a parasite disease that can be fatal, is spread by freshwater snails. Africa, Asia, and South America are the regions where the disease is most prevalent. You don't have to meet a snail to be infected. Schistosomiasis can develop if a person's skin comes into touch with the water where these snails reside. The spleen, intestines, and liver are all affected by the parasite. Top 6. Kissing bugs. 8,000 people die each year. These insects, also referred to as assassin bugs, can spread the parasite that causes Chagas disease by their bite. The kissing bug can be found in the United States, unlike many other harmful insects. Chagas disease. The majority of Chagas disease sufferers are unaware that they are unwell, although the chronic illness can harm the heart and digestive system. In Brazil, it is also to blame for a high rate of stillbirths. Top 5. Dogs. 17,400 people die each year. Even a man's best friend can be quite lethal. Maulings happen. In their suburban Manila house in 2007, a girl was mauled and her grandma was killed by a 4-year-old pit bull in the Philippines. The man, a neighborhood vet, intended to rehab the dog. Top 4. Sandfly. 24,200 people die each year. Leishmaniasis is a parasitic disease that can be spread by this little insect. There are 3 main types of the illness: cutaneous, mucocutaneous, and visceral leishmaniasis, which is the most deadly. Cutaneous leishmaniasis. Getting treatment for cutaneous leishmaniasis is this Afghan woman. This disfiguring but curable parasite illness saw a significant epidemic in Afghanistan in 2009. On the other hand, untreated instances of visceral leishmaniasis result in death in 95% of cases. Top 3. Snakes. 60,000 people die each year. The Barba amarilla pit viper, sometimes referred to as the common lancehead snake, possesses some of the most lethal venom in the entire snake kingdom. South America is the snake's natural habitat. Malayan pit viper bite. Only approximately 2% of people who are bitten by a Malayan pit viper die from the venom. However, due to tissue necrosis, this snake's bite victims frequently require amputation of limbs. Top 2. Humans. People kill people. In February 2018, a former student opened fire at Parkland, Florida's Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School, killing 17 people. 1. Mosquitoes. 830,000 people die each year. Malaria comes to mind when most people think of a mosquito-borne disease, but other deadly ones include Zika, dengue fever, Japanese encephalitis, and yellow fever. Malaria, the deadliest mosquito-borne illness. This photo was taken in Ghana in May 2018 as workers sprayed a new insecticide designed to control and prevent malaria around a local home. The World Health Organization reports malaria killed 445,000 people in 2016. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you love this kind of content, we consider subscribing to be informed for every new video, and don't forget to share it. See you.